friends, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to apply monetization. As you can see this on my screen, this one is the new monetization tab and new monetization request. You can see the now previously we only get the two things, subscriber and public watch hours. Now additional two-step verification and active community guideline strikes. So this is the eligibility for the monetization YouTube partner program. You can see there for all is green, so our requirements all is done, and then we can apply for the YouTube partner program. You can see here, if I click the apply now, first step is review partner program terms. So this one is the terms and condition from the YouTube partner program. So we just click the start, and then now you can see here the language, because I selected the country Pakistan, so that's why the it's in the Urdu language. So just accept the terms and condition YouTube partner program, and then accept. So now you can see here the first step is done. Now second step is the create a Google AdSense account. So we are going to sign up for the Google AdSense account. So second step, we just click the start. Once we click the start, you can see here the drop down. You click the drop down, then asking the yes, I have an existing account, and no, I don't have an existing account, and then I don't know. There is three options. If you have already any Google AdSense account, you can link directly here. If you don't have any Google AdSense account, you choose the second one. If you don't know that your email already got AdSense account or no, you just select the no. So I don't have confirm that I don't have any Google AdSense account on my this email ID, so I just prefer to select this one, second option, no, I don't have an existing account. So I select that one, then continue. Now asking here the select your email, to which email you want to prefer to create the Google AdSense account. So select. So once we select our email, you can see here the redirect in the Google sign up. So select the yes, select your country. I select here my country. You can select your country depend on your government documents. So I select the country, and then here terms and condition for the Google AdSense account, and select the create account. So it will redirect us in the Google AdSense. Now you can see here this one is sign up for the Google AdSense. So we need to fill up the information. You can see here the first option is asking the you want to individual or business account. So you can see here the small drop down, click, and then you can choose the which account you want to prefer to Google AdSense, use as a business or use as a individual. So I'm selecting here the Google account for the individual personally use, so I select the individual. And then second thing is name and address. Name and address, you fill up the as per your government ID. So after that sign up the Google AdSense, you have the option. Once you complete that $10, you need to verify your identity. So that's why we need to provide our information as per our government ID, passport, or driving license to provide here information. So at least we can verify our identity once we reach the $10. And then also we get the address verification pin on our address to get our payment method. So first is we fill up the name is per ID. So one more thing for the Pakistani national, if you are CNIC in the Urdu, so if you have that CNIC, you can fill up here the name as per your ID is in Urdu. So you need to fill up also here the Urdu language. So Once we next step want to verify our identity, that one is help us to verify. If you put here English and then when you want to verify the in the Urdu CNIC, it will not approve. So I suggest you or recommend you you fill up as per your ID Urdu. If you using the Urdu CNIC, if you have English name, you can directly type here the English name, and then address you can fill up in the English, no any issue. Only the name you need to fill up with the Urdu. So postal code you can find out in the Google, or if you know your postal code you can easily put in. Now here is asking the phone number. Phone number is actually optional. If you want to provide or no, it's up to you, but I recommend you to put the phone number, so easy for the postman. When we complete our $10, Google will send us the verification pin on our provided address. So if we provide the phone number, it's easy for the postman to call us and then give us pin is possible. If we not provide the phone number, some time it's difficulties for the postman to get delivered our pin. So I just put here phone number. Then you check your information all correct. Once you check already, then click the submit button. So it will redirect us in the YouTube Studio. Just we need to wait a few seconds. So it's refreshing the screen. Now you can see here our second step also in the progress. So that one is taking few hours, and then I will continue back on the same step once this one is done. So we will see the whole procedure until we get the monetize. So be patient, and then we will continue back after the this second step is done. So first step done, second step if done, and the third step is automatically get in review. So let's continue after the second step. Okay friends, so now you can see here the second step also done already. This one after 12 hours I check, and then second part also done ready. Now third step is in progress. Our videos will get reviewed, and then if we are eligible for the monetization, our channel will be monetization. So it will take also it's depend on our content. It will take also maybe 12 to 24 hours. Sometime it take 48 hours, but it depend on your content. If your content is original and then created by your face cam and voice over, so very fast will approve. So let's see the third step. Hope this one also approve. So I will continue back after. So now you can see after 12 hours I just refresh the screen. So now you can see here our channel is already approved in the YouTube partner program. I already get the email from the YouTube. You can see here. So our channel is already monetized. Now you can see here if I refresh the screen, the first step is done, second step is done, the third step in progress. So if I refresh the screen, so you can see here our channel is already monetized. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video with the new updates, new tips, new tricks. Thank you.